Hey everyone, in this video, I will take you from downloading the Windows 10 all the way to the first desktop launch, step by step, safely, and in simple English. We will create a bootable USB, install the Windows with the custom option. So, what you will need? You will need a working PC with internet, 8 GB plus USB drive, target PC or laptop where Windows 10 will be installed, power adapter plugged for both the laptop or PC. Optional is product key, which you will use to activate your Windows 10. But before we start, just back up your files in the target PC where you want to freshly install or wipe your data. Step 1 is downloading the Windows 10. On any working computer, just go to the Microsoft official Windows 10 download page. Click on Download Tool now under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Once the file downloads, open the File Explorer and just run the Media Creation Tool .executable file. Media Creation Tool is an official tool that both downloads the latest Windows 10 build and create the bootable USB. So you don't have to worry about the third-party apps for creating a bootable drive. Step 2 is plugging your 8 GB plus or larger USB drive. After running the media creation tool, accept the license term by clicking on accept. Click on Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO and click on Next. Choose the language, edition, Windows 10, architecture, 64-bit which is most common and click on Next. Then click on USB flash drive and click on Next. Select your USB drive if visible. If you don't see your USB, click on Refresh Drive List. Once visible, click on Next. Wait while it downloads and complete the write and then click on Finish. One thing to note, don't unplug your USB drive during this process. Step 3 is booting from the USB in the target PC or laptop. Just safely eject the USB from your source computer and plug it into your target PC. Then power it on and enter the boot menu. Common ways to enter the boot menu is F12 in Dell or Lenovo, F9 in HP, Escape in Asus or F8 or F11. Step 4 is choosing the language and other preferences. On the first Windows setup screen, choose your language, time, and currency format. Click Next and then Install Now. Step 5 is entering the product key. When asked about the product key, select I don't have the product key. You can activate the Windows 10 after the installation. If your device has a digital license embedded, which is common on the branded laptop, Windows may activate automatically once online after connecting with the internet. Step 6 is accepting the license terms. Read and accept the license terms to continue. Step 7 is choosing the installation type. Select Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. This gives you full control over partition and ensure a clean install. Click on Custom. So why choose Custom? This option avoids carrying over old issue and cleans the system file and structure. Step 8 is partitioning the drive. So here you see list of partition on your drive. For a fresh install, just delete the old window partition. Select the Windows or system partition in which you wish to install the Windows 10. Step 9 is installing the Windows. So Windows now copies the files, install feature and updates and restarts a few times. This can take typically 10 to 30 minutes depending on your hardware, so don't worry. In the progress bar, you can see copying file, installing feature, and installing the updates. System will start or restart automatically, so don't press any keys during the reboot. Step 10 is first boot and Wi-Fi setup. On the Let's connect you to a network screen, select your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and click Next. So why connect to a Wi-Fi? It lets Windows pull the driver, time zone, and activation during your setup. You can prefer a offline account. It temporarily skips the Wi-Fi setup. Step 11 is account and sign in setup. Enter your Microsoft email or any email ID. Click on next. Enter the password and click on next. If two-step verification is on, choose method SMS email authenticator and enter the code. Create a PIN for a quick sign in. We can sync the setting by clicking yes to sync themes, password, and Microsoft Store app from the other PC, and no if you want to have a clean non-synced start. Step 12 is privacy and optional setting. Now we are in the privacy and extra setting section. This is where Microsoft asks what information you want to share and what services you want to enable. This screen can vary slightly depending upon your Windows build, internet connection, and region. So I will walk you through every option you might see, starting with location, which allows the app like maps and weather. Find My Device feature lets you track your device if it's lost or stolen. Inking and typing personalization sends the typing and handwriting data to improve suggestion. Tailored experiences uses a diagnostic data to give you tips and app suggestion. Advertising ID lets apps serve targeted ads based upon your device usage. These can all be changed later by going through setting privacy. So don't stress if you are not sure about it. Next optional step is phone linking. In some setup, you will be asked to link your Android or iPhone to Windows via the phone app. Options yes, enter the phone number. So Microsoft sends a link to download the companion app. Click on skip for now, which you can link later in by going to settings and phone. Next optional step is OneDrive setup. Windows might ask if you want to set up OneDrive Microsoft Cloud Storage. Options are sign in, your desktop, documents, and picture folder sync to the cloud, which is great for backup and multiple device setup. Only save files to this PC keeps the file local. You can set up OneDrive later. Next optional step is Office 365 trial. You might see an offer to try Office for free. Options available are try for free, which starts a trial of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Buy activates if you have already purchased. No thanks skips the offer. Next optional step is game optimization or Xbox services. If Windows detects gaming hardware or you have logged in into your Xbox services, it may suggest enabling game related features. Options available are sign in with a Microsoft Xbox account to access the Games Pass, Xbox Social, and cloud saves, or click skip if you don't play the games. Next optional setup is Cortana setup. Some older Windows 10 version still ask about Cortana, Microsoft Voice Assistant. Options available are yes, enable the Cortana for voice command, reminder, and search integration. No, skips for now, which you can enable later. And the final step is finalizing. Here you will see messages like "Hi, we are getting things ready and this might take several minutes." Windows is applying your setting, installing the default app, and preparing your desktop. So congratulations. So here you have your Windows 10 setup successfully without any errors. If you are facing any issues, just comment and I will try to answer it promptly.